Well, here it is, $30 squat rack. It's two 2x4s with, that is an anchor bolt. I've got two per 2x4, one up top to hold for the squats, and one down below for, if you're to get in trouble when you're squatting, you could lay it down on that, or it'd be a good location for curls or shrugs, something like that. Notice the angle. That's not me the room's not crooked. That's intentional. Has a slight lean into the pull-up bar that I have up above here. And I used a ratcheting lashing strap to hold it to the pull-up bar with a furring strip up above it to give you a reference point, repeatable reference point when you install these. The reason why I didn't go to the rafters with this is I wanted it to be removable and adjustable from side to side if for whatever reason that was needed. The pull-up bar is, as you can see, it's just pipe, but works really well. I did it about a week ago, and I like it. It's very sturdy, does a pretty good job. Now, with it being a 2x4 this way, and the angle that you're running, the majority of the load is going to push downward. So the lateral load on the pull-up bar is going to be minimal. I mean, if you were slamming into it, yeah, it is quite a bit of leverage on that threaded joint, but don't do that. That would be my recommendation. So you can see it with 135 pounds on there. I'll go ahead and demonstrate a few squats and show you how sturdy it is. It's all right. Get ready to be impressed. So, as you're walking in, it does have that bounce, but that's not a bad thing because it's being absorbed by the 2x4. Like I said before, I did the hooks down below. They're there for safety reasons and shrugs or whatever the case may be. So I'll just demonstrate if I was to get in trouble with this, I could just go forward and set it down. Good to go. And then from here, you've got your, let's say that hadn't happened, but you'd have the option of doing shrugs from this location if you like. It's nice to not have to do this from a bench press because you don't have that bench between your legs. It's just nice. It adds a lot more options. And I don't curl this. Don't judge me on form. Anyway, that's the $30 squat rack. Doesn't have to be $30. These lashing straps add about $15 cost to the whole thing. The thing that was probably the coolest with this was the find of these anchor bolts. About 89 cents a piece at Lowe's. The pipe nipple, I think it was like $2 or something like that. So the hardware costs are pretty small. You could set something up pretty affordable if you're who isn't on a budget. Obviously, the rake, I said this before, I'll say it again, the rake is important. The angle that you're running on this, because you don't want, if it was perfectly vertical and I was to go in squatting, it would kick that direction, and that wouldn't be good. You need something stable that you can go back and is going to catch the weight for you. I'm pretty happy with what we have here. Anyways, give it a shot. If you got a better idea, by all means, share it. The reason why I'm sharing this is I got this idea for the pull-up bar off YouTube. I figured why not add to it, and this is my edition. So enjoy, be safe, and have fun.